So yun, welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel ang Justin Aguirre Vlogs, mga kalingap. At for today's video, it's another video na naman. Siyempre, please don't skip ads po tayo sa patuloy yung sa mga bawat videos na pinapanood nyo po sa akin at sa aking mga kasamahan, especially Kuya Rowell and Rachel. At yan, please support po ang aming mga YouTube channel, no? Hindi ko na isa-isahin, alam niyo naman po kung sino yung mga stops ni Kuya Rowell of Malalag, ang kanyang YouTube channel. Yan, please support sa mga bago pa lamang po sa ating YouTube channel. Yan, please support po. And ngayon for today's video po, iskala po natin kahapon is yung last day namin. Yung pala is bukas pa po kami madaling araw magbibiyahe papunta ng Daet. So welcome back to Daet again. And welcome back home. At yun nga, medyo nakakapagod kasi babalik pa kami ng Cavite para kuhaan yung stock yan ni BJ Skip. So yun, kailangan yun para syempre makuha namin yung stock yan. Kasi kailangan ng service, no? Especially yun, yung bongo, inaayos pa din. So madaming kaganapan, no? Pagkatapos na mag-live ni Kuya Kim. So yan mga kalingap, maraming salamat sa pag-suporta po sa ating channel. At huwag po kayong bibitaw, panoodin natin yung mga susunod na magiging kaganapan ngayong araw dahil last day namin dito sa Malalag. Kala ko kahapon yung last day, pasensya na, at ngayon pala yung pinaka last day po natin. Pero yan, sana patuloy tayo sa kung saan tayo pupunta. At napakasipag nga ni Kuya Rowell kasi magkaayuda kami kahit yun naalis na kami, so dapat magpapahinga na lang. Pero dahil sa napakasipag ni Kuya Rowell at napakasipag ng kanyang tropa, gusto na namin mag-ayuda na lang kami sa isang beneficiary niya papunta sa kabuntukan dito sa Malalag. So yan mga kalingap, babay Malalag na bus. So yan, update na lang po kami mga kalingap sa aming mga lakad. Magla-live na lang kami sa barko. So it's been 3 days ng paglalakbay namin. Sana gabayan kami ni Lord at sana wag po kami pabayaan. At see you in our exciting moment papunta ng kabuntukan, papunta ng karagatan. Babaybayin namin ng Pacific Ocean, ang Pasipiko, papunta sa aming tahanan kung saan doon kami mamalagit, kung saan yun yung Daet, Camarines Norte. Thank you po mga kalingap, maraming salamat. At yan, tara.
A few moments later.
Ay, grabe. Best dad ever. Pagpasa nga ng ano. Best dad ever. Sa'yo ko lang daddy. Kala ko lang Jody yan. Parenting ops. Ay, grabe. Pang kumpati ka dyan dati nga ni Kuya
Parenting ops. Parenting ops nga.
Parenting yan.
Sige.
Parent pag English ka.
Oo.
Lang. Di yung parenting sa'yo mo.
Ako mayroon. Ito.
Kasi lang sa alam.
Ako yung nagpili ng damit. Ako yung wala.
Alam mo?
Oo.
Okay, Kuya Regan. Kuya Regan. The son of ano yan? Kaya nagkasataan kami, pero di ko lang ako sakay pupunta. Ito ko lang daddy, parenting off. Ay grabe oh. Bagay na bagay no? Puti. Pinipilihan sana nila ako kaso di pa ako tatay.
Ay hindi pa nabuo.
Di pa. Nauula lang.
Bakit sa ano?
Oy! Kami nga eh. Siyempre sa gigilid lang.
Sige lang, kaya.
Isa kasi natatapon-tapon lang. Huwag niyo ako babatiin kasi baka mapaaga. Ay, init boy.
Mga kalingap.
Mayab ko
Oo, sigat ko.
Grabe. Gagawin tayo sa Royal Pay, oh.
Hindi naman.
Ang sigaw ko. Wow. Nasaan yung damit mo?
Bro, pakuha mo ng tubig ko dun. Saan ang damit ko? Wala pong damit.
Meron ka.
Yung tubig ko dun.
Ewan ko. Nalimutan yata yung ganito. Ay, ganito pala. Nasa ka ba nung kahapon? Kailangan magkakasama tayo. Ay, pambihira. Wala ka nga pala nun. Laka daw? Saan? Uy, tingnan mo. Ngayon ko yung ganun.
Ano, pakuha mo ng tubig dun.
Ay, inutusan mo ba?
Malamig dun.
Sabi ko,
Sige na bro. Kaya na. Bro, ito tabot ng tubig bro.
ako bodyguard pala dito.
Salamat. Salamat.
Sabi mga datingan nyo, ha? So, ganda na salamin mo, ha? Saan mo nabili yan?
SM Diet.
SM Diet.
No.
Oh,
Gmall. Gmall Digos City.
Gmall. Gang. Gmall. Diba, sa ano mall?
Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo at last day ka na dito sa Malalag?
Oh my
Ay, last day. Last day.
Bro, pag magtatanong kami, mga pa-plus ka pa.
Kailangan.
Iba,
Parang iba yung upload
Ano
mo,
kasi
bro.
yan eh?
Ganun ba?
Ano yan?
talaga yan.
Parang sabi kailangan.
Malma ka lang,
mo.
bro. Bro,
Sabi mo.
bro, yung salamin ko, kasi I feel na
I feel ano?
parang cautious sa...
Oh,
Oy,
limited
grabe.
edition only, bro.
Okay, can I wear just
Nasaan na pala yung salamin mo?
I wanna try it. Can I? I will back it to you later. I just want to try it.
So,
Can I eat
I
it?
buy it because...
Let me see if it fits on me.
Oo.
No,
Try,
my
try.
eyes is too...
Try it.
Too dark.
No.
No. What do you mean?
Your eyes didn't see
Yeah.
how beautiful.
Because of the sun.
Nasaan na yung black mo? Na sa kanya?
Pinamigay niya nga eh, yung sa akin
What mo
talaga
pinamigay?
nawala.
Yeah.
Hindi,
Kaya na kayo dito mga
sinarad ko
kapatid.
lang, bro, kasi because we are a charity
Pero
vlog.
subukan ko lang,
Ah, ganun.
picture ko lang.
Try lang, try lang daw.
Can
Try.
I try it? Can I try that? So, wow.
They want to
Wow.
try it. Wow. Wow. May papikit-pikit pa.
Sige yan talaga eh.
Sige. Wow. Uy, bagay sa'yo bro. Albakin mo na lang kaya. Bagay oh.
Oh, pwede mo kami picturean? Kuya?
Uy.
Okay lang, pwede mo picturean. Look at his face, look at his face.
Oh, ba't yan pa
Bro,
nalugi?
bro, picture tayo. Can
Look. Sige.
one more. Dapat. Yun. Wow.
Wow. Nakapagpa-picture na sa limited edition mo na ano ah.
Wow. Wow, man.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Yeah, sure.
Wow. Wow.
Why is you look handsome that
Wow,
face?
let's look at that, man.
Ganda ng limited edition na ano no? Na salaming.
It's a limited edition only.
Grabe oh, parang sarap albarin no?
Expensive.
Yeah. How much?
1, 2.
1,200. Ay, grabe 1,200 pala yan bro.
1,250.
Wow, look at that.
Sale, 50% off.
Oh,
Wow, it's what?
sale pala yan.
Wow,
Sale.
it's sale.
Yan, happy Father's Day. Yeah, pa-Father's Day mo daw sa kanya bro.
Wow, thank you. I really
So, happy Father's Day.
appreciate it. Oh, moi.
Can you, you like your...
Slap. I want me to slap you.
Biso.
Beso. Oh, beso. Oh, I like that. Beso.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, uno, dos, tres.
Yeah, wina.
Beso.
Pinagantry.
Piso?
Hola.
French.
Piso dos. Beso
I'm also
dos.
French, so I can speak in French, Spanish. Yeah.
Suis Talamone, de coleches delicioses.
Wow, di
This
amigo
adoboses.
espresso di Macalfranto.
This adoboses. Adoboses.
Ano boses?
Yeah,
Adoboses.
delicioses.
Delicious.
Wow.
Wow.
This
Amazing.
is Papogis Papas Papusis.
Papogis. Wow,
I
Papa.
I get some my water.
What?
I get some water. Yeah.
Wow, jump.
Because I'm too nervous.
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 Uy, may patalon na.
Oh, tara na, bye-bye.
Tara na.
Bye.
Ilan mo? Make faster. Make faster. Saan ba tayo pupunta bro? Saan ba lakad natin? Hanggang ngayon di ko din alam eh kung saan tayo pupunta. Kanina pa ako nagtatanong, ba't may adobo? Ano, magpipiknik ba tayo? At bakit naka-uniform kayo ng Puro Daddy? Magpipiknik siguro tayo na sa Daddy's bro, Daddy's ano?
Yes.
Ah,
Happy Father's Day to all daddies out there. Tatay, Ipang, Airpot, Mang, Pang,
amang,
Amang,
ano nga yun sa ano?
Daddy, Papa, Pudra
Pudra pala.
out there. Happy Father's Day to all of you. And today is the day.
Today
Is a very important day to all.
siguro nito ngayon.
Father.
Siguro magpipiknik no?
Yeah.
Sakay.
Well, speaking of Father's Day, some of our friends here are also a daddy, a father, no? And this is a special one. This is a special one. He's in front of us. His name is Alfie TV. At the age of 23.
I'm from French. So,
You're from French?
yeah. What country you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia.
You're talking to Russia.
Yeah, Russia. I have friends in Russia.
Wait.
Oh,
Sumasakay pa.
I studied in Russia. Yeah.
May Chinese dito, masakay.
Oh, there's a Chinese.
Wow,
and
Chinese.
this is
Wow,
Hey,
Chinese
man,
man.
where you from, man? Where you from?
Where you from?
From USA.
Victoria.
No, you look like Chinese.
Oy, sit.
I like Victoria.
This is Victoria. Okay. What are you, man? What are you? What is your problem, huh?
Kaladating mo pa lang namumroblema ka na.
So he's from Victoria, no?
Victoria.
Victoria like Victoria.
Yeah, so he's talking Victorian.
Yeah.
Victorian.
It's from Victorian.
Yo,
Victorian
Victorian.
Victoria.
And salutatorian. Yeah, that's nice, no?
I'm Victorian. Victorian.
Victorian.
Balik.
Returning.
Boy! Uy, si tatay, naging tricycle driver.
Oh.
Uy, boss! Magkano ang kila dyan? Magkano ang kila dyan? Madada? Magkano ang kila? Ito yung laman ng tricycle dito, no? Kaya tulad doon sa ating lulong.
Bakit ganun? Hindi dapat ganun eh. Kasi tingnan mo bro. Ibis na, di ba? Pag ganun.
No.
Nagpag ganun. Mahirap.
Pumasok.
Mahirap.
What did you say?
Pag ganun.
Yeah, ganun. Yan, pag
Dito,
ganun.
gusto tayo. Gawi.
Come on, sit down here.
Buka po. Yan. Kasya po tayo. Happy. Sige lang po at hawak ko naman po ang kapayapaan.
Ay, grabe. Kapayo pa.
Hindi. Ako naghahawak ko naman.
So, pupunta kami sa di namin alam kung saan kami makakating.
We're going to Nanay Lilia and Tatay Mario's house.
Lilia and Mario's house.
Yes.
Siguro may konting salo-salo doon kasi may mga
No, it's just konti. Kasi ang dami natin. Marami siya. Oo. So again, to all Papa, Daddies out there, Papas, happy Father's Day to all of you. And we're hoping to be more healthy and happy as always. And syempre,
Justin, can you speak English? I cannot
Do you speak
Tagalog.
English?
Yes, I
kaunti
can
lang.
speak English.
Yeah,
And
kaunti lang.
what do you want to ask to me?
what would you like to ask you?
Yes.
Okay, ask him anything.
Anything you want to know about me.
Alright. Happy Father's Day to you, Justin.
I'm not father. I'm not father
You're
yet.
not, you're not a daddy already.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
Soon.
happy Father's in advance. I greet you. In advance.
Happy Father's Day, everybody.
In advance.
No. Don't talk about that because
don't panic.
don't panic.
Maybe it's organic. Yes, don't panic. It's organic. Hey, why the dogs
You
bark?
eat organic
barking?
foods.
How much your child?
How much? Yeah. It's okay.
How much?
Don't mind it.
How much your child?
Do you eat lumpia?
Yes, I
Lumpia.
already love that.
Lumpia is, for me, lumpia is just a long,
stick?
Long.
and pia is pia worsbak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pia worsbak is long, so lumpia.
Long pia.
Yeah. So, as you can see now, guys, we're moving.
We're moving around.
We're going to
I just
some part of the Mindanao, some part here in Mindanao. So just to be more polite and happy. Yes, polite. Hey, what are you doing, man? What are you
I
doing?
just fixed my jacket because it's too hot.
You fix?
I fixed my jacket.
Why? It is broken? Or
I just fixed my jacket because it's too hot.
too hot?
My skin is
Do you
very
mean
nervous.
to this to what?
Why are you always? Why are you always?
Why are you so weak? What?
Oh, too hot.
The sun is too
It is
dangerous.
No, not like me. I'm not Pawis because I'm Panort.
You look like
This is an art.
He's Pawis and I'm Panort. So I'm the Pawis.
do you know Guevara? Yeah, you look like Guevara. Yeah.
Why you always bringing that
He's my
name to
friend.
me?
He's my friend.
Your friend. Oh, what a small word, huh?
Okay.
Okay, no comment. No comment. I don't want any trouble, man. I want peace, not war.
Do you hear him? He want peace. He want peace.
One piece.
Give him a piece. One Piece.
Yeah.
I like One Piece because cartoon character.
Ikaw lang pa, tutuang ka.
Bigas.
Yung bigas po kukunin. Yung bigas po kukunin, nalagpasan po.
We're going to put rice.
We're going to back because the rice is
Put rice.
on that store.
On the store.
You know.
Oh, the rice is very important. Also, no,
Because-
culture of the Filipino. Most of the Filipinos, not most, but all of the Filipinos like to eat rice because it's part of their meal. Right?
Like
And
rice,
everything.
like cannonballs,
Cannonballs,
rice,
Cannonballs rice?
Rice.
Wow.
basketball rice,
Basketball rice.
It's shomai rice.
Wow.
Sumo rice.
Sumo rice. Canton rice.
Canton rice. It's everything. But
Everything.
Everything happened.
Everything happened.
Everything happened
do you
in store.
Is he a Chinese or what?
He's a Chinese.
Oh yeah,
Chungkwa, nya.
yeah, it's Chinese.
Chongqua. It sounds like a Thailand.
Chẳng qua là sẽ là anh sửa lộn nhá.
Salonia. What's that? Salonia. Ano?
It means
What did he say? What did he say?
What he say?
she's from Salonia.
Salonia.
Salonia country.
Oh.
What is
Salonia.
what's Salonia
I
called?
think he's from Salon.
Salon.
Right? Because it's said that.
I like dancer.
Sige. Dance more.
Dancer. And the words, the word from our country, dancer, like dance. Dance.
Organic dance.
Wow. Wow.
Organic.
Parang singkayaw Uy.
Where did you learn that? Where did you learn that?
Edmond Presley.
From Michael Jackson moves.
Michael
Signature
Jackson.
moves. Yeah.
It's from Michael Jackson's dance move.
He's also my friend. Oh.
Hey, my friend. Where you going, my friend?
Kami lang to. Hey, magkano rate dyan? Magkano bayad dyan? 20 isa?
Magkano kila dyan naman? 20 isa, buti pa dyan mura.
Ano yun? Sumbong yung tricycle driver dyan.
Nasa yun to, isa yung may-ari niyan. Ba't ginigit na yan?
Tama. Bilad. Ayaw may dito tayo.
Kanina pa kasi pinapo po eh.
Wala man makaupo dito.
Bagay sa kabagay.
Tsaka yung mga bagay-bagay, mga bagay.
Oo, he's talking Filipino.
Oy,
He's talking Filipino accent. I thought he is
In the
Chinese.
Philippines.
So,
Tunggurugo.
Parang si Toto yun Hey, buddy, where you from? He is a Filipino. Malungkot yan ngayon. Happy Father's Day. Babatiin na namin ikaw. Kasi
Happy Father's Day, bro.
alam ko walang magbabati sa'yo. Happy Father's Day.
Bawa naman, di binati.
Pang ibon mo. Pokokil. Ruko. Crazy man.
Crazy.
What about him?
Where you from?
Hey buddy.
Hey,
Hey buddy with a long tail. Hey. Hey buddy.
The tail lang tayo.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
What's wrong with you guys?
Yeah.
We're nothing
There's
wrong.
nothing wrong with us.
Don't disturb.
I'm too much
He's
thinking now. He's a busy man.
Yes.
It's alright.
Alright. Hey, what are you doing? Talaga naghanap talaga siya ng magkaraya, oh. Kanina pa yung naghahanap. Oh, saan ka ba talaga? Aligaga ko. Naganap talaga siyang magaraya. Kanina pa yan, nag-ikot-ikot pa doon sa may pang-pang.
My favorite na.
Ay, grabe.
Pagtingin natin, nandun na sa dulo, no? Naghahanap.
Kayo ko, puta rin doon, men.
Oo.
Nasingit yan sa inyo.
Uy, inspired to boy.
Ba, siya? Palitan mo na.
Ayan o. Putang na. Ano?
Ay,
Ayan, ano? Ano yung daga yan?
Di ka natin eh.
Pinakain pa sa amin. Bihira ka.
sige kami, sige kami. Ano?
Kain na ng daga. Ayan o.
Kaya leptospirosis yan. Kaya Balik-balik si Kuya Alpe, ano? Yan na nga ng daga.
Taglit.
Hey!
Tawag.
Where they are? I want...
Oh, where are you from?
Drinks daw. Wala pa dito.
Top drinks.
Grabe, oh. Nakain ko pa yun. Nalunok ko na pati.
Kain eh. Babalik si Kuya Alpe, magpapaliwanag siya may butas po ito. Nanguya na po ang grabe Spider-Man.
Grabe yung tigas. Tagal-tagal yun.
It's my turn.
Kapuna.
Minute yan, boy. Dito ko sa baba. Okay na ba yan? Okay na yan?
Tapo mo yung gawi. Maghanap palitan natin. Sige, sa ibabaw ko man yun.
Ako nakalunok na ako eh.
Bago na yan, bago na. Tingnan mo pa, baka meron pa. Baka naman, expired yan. Tingnan mo na.
Crunchy na, crunchy.
Crunchy na.
Uy.
Panchi na? Crazy nga.
Oh, anong lasa?
Delicioso.
It looks like new.
In our country, medo.
Mero.
Yeah.
What accent?
Medo, like delicious.
Delicious. What
Mero.
country? What country is it? Country.
My country? So what?
Is that from Black Panther?
No.
Unknown
Red
country.
Fanta.
Wakanda Forever.
Red Fanta.
Red Panther.
Yeah.
Fanta.
Makanda po kayo ba? Ano yun ah?
Medo.
He's eating
Kapamilya ka pala. Nanonood ka nun.
Yan. And look at that guy at the back.
Ang malay pa na ba sa speaker?
Look at that guy at the back. He is very serious.
Because
Parang ano yung kanyang inisa. Yeah, general
paano di lalaki iniisip niya eh kung di ka binati namin para stay. Yung paday ka rin pero walang bumati sa'yo.
Tayo nagbati. Siyempre, mahal natin yung sweat ito.
Uy, ito bababa ako.
Look at
Pusip! Uy! Where you from? Man! Where you from?
Look at that guy.
Ay man? Ay ba sa gani?
Ay wala, ako.
Tayo nga wala pa.
Meron. May baso. Baka kulangin.
Ganito na lang.
Totoo sa'yo. Sino yun? Tumutawag sa'yo. May baby pa yan.
Dito pa.
Bibilahin ka mamaya.
Bibi. Buti siya magtanda na.
Bibida mo lang.
Si Dilong utagong seryoso sa hanap buhay niya. Tingnan mo.
Oo. Tom, ano yan? Gano'n ba ito? Sakit-sakit yung sa upuan ng ni Kayawe.
What are you doing?
Tingnan mo sa dito.
Ulak. Tatay talaga, not good to kay Ben. So yung mga kalingap, nandito na kami sa location. Sa bahay pala ni Tatay Mario at ni Nanay Linda. Oh, kaya ka dyan. Patawali ka.
Ano kayo?
Pihira. Ganda na sagutan mo. At yan. Nandito na lamang po ang ating vlog sa araw na to. So, maikli lang to. At dito siya behind the scene. So, konting katawaan lang po ang ating dinag kanina habang nasa biyahe kami. Siyempre para may upload tayo ngayong araw. Makapag-upload tayo. So, marami pa pong kaganapan na magaganap ngayong araw. Punta ako ngayon sa yung motor ni Kuya. Well, kuha ako ng damit ni Tatay Mario. Yung regalo ni Kuya Kapal kay Tatay Mario na Happy Father's Day. At yan, maraming salamat mga kalingap. Giningal ako. Grabe yung babaan dito. At siguro napanood nyo naman sa live, no? Ano mga pinagdaanan namin. At mapapanood nyo pa sa live premiere ni Kuya Kabel. Yan, please support po ang kayong YouTube channel ko, Walang Malalag. Rachel Morales Vlog. At syempre ang ama ng kalingap, Kuya Bal Santos Batubang at na. Yan, sa lahat po. Okay.